The 2015 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.